app for our field sales executive. So we happened to add a field sales executive, and the mistake that we did in the past was when we added that executive, we did not have a system to collect the data and to verify whether that person has actually visited the places that he's saying. And we took a couple of demos today. And one of the demos that was very interesting was this demo wherein geolocation could be automatically added. Now, that particular app showed you like which places did the person travel to, how much time did he wait at one particular place, or that the number of steps, everything. And I found that to be very cool. And then apart from that, what that app had was this forms, an ability to add the customer name, customer data, and an order taking system. Now, I have not done that here because we have a separate app for order taking, but I thought that maybe just capturing the leads and verifying whether the person has actually visited would be enough of a scope for the first time app. Now, that particular app was costing about 6,000 rupees a year, and I thought if I could, and this was not to save money but to build something of that value, uh, or to build something in a way that it has the features that I have. Now, this particular app actually has three screens. The first one is redundant, but this one and this one. Let me start by showing you the form. Now, here the date auto fetches. You don't have to do anything. The date and time is fetched automatically. Regarding the salesperson name, I've added these in the backend, but it could be also a drop down or could be dynamically added text field. But I like it this way. So I select the salesperson name, then I select the client name. So for example, I select the client name. Now, this particular thing called as business address, the interesting thing is this actually has an integration with Google. Google Maps. So this address is auto fetched. Let me try a different example, say Angel High School. Loni Kalbhor. I have to be a little bit specific here, otherwise it does not work. But this location gets auto-fetched here. Now, the contact person, say, is Sonal Chajit. Here, I'm adding Angel High School. Angels. This is just for demo purposes. I'm adding the name, the contact number, alternate contact number if any. I find the alternate contact number field to be very useful most of the times because the primary contact number does not work many like a lot of times. Now, you could add this visiting cards field here. You just have to take a photo. This has camera access. I'm just taking a demo photo now. It has the option to add meeting notes, say interested in money plants, and then we could also add the video of that place. I think this adds a lot of life. Demo video, but herein we could have we could show the place around. The supervising manager knows what products could be of interest to them, or we could add the details of the discussion. But I think this is a nice field that adds a lot of life. We say use video, and this geolocation one is automatically added. Like I have no role here. It's set from the backend, so whatever fields could be auto fetched, for example the map or the date, or we could auto feed these fields. We have done that to reduce the workload, and then we click on save. You see the entry here. Now, in case if you open this one, there are all these buttons. So for example, if you click on this, it will open the dialer and with the phone number already typed in. My favorite one here is WhatsApp. So once I've met this customer, for example, and I've fed everything that is there, I can click on this and send a template message. There's a bit of personalization here in the sense that it auto fetches the client's name. You have an option to see the photo that you've uploaded, the video that you've uploaded, send an email, or send the message. It's all in here. One thing that I could have added is a small, this screen is redundant, but one thing that I could have added is is an AI summary. So, for example, this particular salesperson, how many visits he's done in a day could have been added. Apart from that, we are not measuring anything really. Visits is the only metric here, but that could have been added. Adding any kind of other AI led, for example, extracting data from the video, or transcribing, like having a voice note feature here and transcribing it, could be too much for this particular app because it is built on a product called as AppSheet. This product actually seems to be a Google product. It is there in the Google Sheets extension. It took me about 3 hours to complete this, mostly because I did not know the workflow, or I did not have any experience. With the experience that I have had today, I'll be able to build this in like an hour, and I think it's a pretty good decent investment. And the best part here is the data stays with you. So for example, the images and the videos that you've captured stays with you in a Google Drive, and with that data you could actually do a lot. For example, you have the videos of the place, meaning you know what are the products available there. You have the visiting card, and that data could actually be fed in the AI model, and we could do a lot with it. But for this basic app, we just wanted to collect the data, and it serves the purpose in a sense that we know where that person has visited, what all he's done. Like we could see the video, there are multiple trust points, and I think for a first try this is a pretty decent app. Thank you.